Cartrunk Entertainment's Unpub 3 is 2 days of prototype playtesting nestled in the heart of Delaware on January 19th and 20th, 2013. Designers are coming from all over the country to show off their latest and greatest projects to a throng of willing playtesters. Players will have an opportunity to give verbal and written feedback on each game they play. The event starts each day at 10 a.m. Saturday, January 19th, games will continue until 11 p.m., and Sunday, January 20th, festivities will end at 6 p.m. Players are welcome and wanted. General admission is $5 and is good for both days. Exhibitor tickets cost $10 and are good for one table where you can try out multiple games over the course of the weekend. Unpub 3 is the place to make good games great. Join us for this annual event or find out how you can be part of our growing Unpub network, which has events all year long in game stores and conventions across the United States. Find out more about Unpub 3 and the Unpub network at unpub.net or email john@cartrunk.net.